A press conference was held at the regional office of the Food Corporation of India in Shillong on the 20th of July 2023, where the conference was addressed by its General Manager S.K. Yadav. While addressing media persons today, S.K. Yadav informed about the ongoing open market sales scheme, domestic scheme, wherein rice and wheat are auctioned in the open market on a weekly basis to keep the prices of both the commodities under control so that the common public or consumers are benefited. At the same time, Yadav also briefed the media on the major initiatives and achievements of the FCI in the states of Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura under the North-Eastern Frontier region under various schemes of the Government of India.
We have 2-3 that major initiatives that FCI or Government of India has taken in last 2-3 years. Out of that, you might be aware that during COVID period it was Pradhan Mantri Gram Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana (PMGKY), which was started in that April 2020 and it lasted till December 22. In that scheme, in NEF region, FCI, which consists that Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram, we distributed around 7.5 lakh metric ton of extra food grains free of cost to all the beneficiaries who are getting that already that MFS and that other schemes of Government of India. After that, that Government of India has again continued its special efforts to release that stocks under open market scheme so that wheat and rice prices remains in check and consumers get maximum benefit of that Government of India initiative. During procurement season of that wheat in major procuring regions like Punjab and Haryana, for time being that scheme is kept suspended so that undue that advantage by some that miscreants may not be taken. Otherwise, throughout year that scheme continues and its base price keep on changing as per Government of India's that evaluation of market prices from time to time. As of now, the open market scheme under which FCI release stocks, auction takes place every week. On every Friday, we invite that e-auction in which empaneled that parties for which very basic that terms and conditions have been fixed, they can participate. Their registration is continuous with the one outside party, that M Junction. We have provided links that how with that bare minimum that documents requirement they can empanel them. And on every Wednesday we release that auction result. Mainly in NF region, it is picked up by that private players. Although first time in last week auction, some rice has also been lifted by private parties for release in the open market. So second phase of this year that auction, e-auction under Omss has started from 20th of June. 28th of June this year. And so far around that this is fourth auction we are conducting. And the wheat base price FCI has fixed 2125 rupees. And whatever that FCI offering wheat, actually requirement is by the private player is less than our offering. That means FCI is offering much more stocks than actual potential of that private party is lifting. And in all these four auctions, FCI has offered around 8,300 metric ton stock after 28th of June. Against that, only 1,450 MT has been lifted by party. That means FCI is giving at least 4 times stocks, 5 times stocks than actual requirement of that wheat in open market. Similarly, for rice also, we have auctioned 7,500 metric ton and 10 metric ton has been lifted by private parties under Omss scheme. Misconception also, some wild rice, during its cooking process, if we immediately release that moisture, so it has some, if you compress that, it has some that elasticity effect. So some people call it that plastic rice. Otherwise, producing a plastic rice is much costlier than growing that natural rice. Even after that, if some complaint is received, that is, I think, in that FSSAI also and in Consumer Affairs Ministry also, that is each and every complaint is attended with fullest of that potential. And I invite you, if you get any such complaint of plastic rice or any that other quality issue of FCI, we will take it in a very positive way